If you're class 10 ICSE student, this short is for you, where I will be discussing the poetic devices in the poem The Glove and the Lion. So the first one is metaphor. It is a poetic devices where comparison is not clearly stated, it is implicit and subtle. For example, in the line, gallant thing to see that crowning show. So this compares the fierce spite of the lions to a crowning show, suggesting that it is a grand and majestic display worthy of admiration and respect. And also, it increases the intensity and significance of the scene. Next is personification, where the poet he gives human-like attributes to inanimate objects or animals. For example, in the line, valor and love and a king above and the royal beasts below. So here, valor and love and the royal beasts, that is the lions, are personified. Next is simile, where comparison is made using like and as. For example, in the line, gave blows like beams. So here, the forceful blows of the lions, it is compared to beams, signifying how powerful and how strong they were. Now, it also enhances the imagery of the fight in the pit, emphasizing the ferociousness and intensity of the lion's actions. Next is alliteration, where closely placed consonant sounds are repeated. For example, in the line, with wallowing might and stifled roar. Here, the repetition of verse sound is there, okay? In valuing might. Next is imagery, where there's a vivid description so as to create a picture in the mind of the readers. For example, in the line, bloody foam above the bars. So in this line, the image of bloody foam above the bars, it evokes an unsettling image of the violence in the fight, immersing the reader in the intensity of the scene. Next, there is irony, where there's a contrast what is expected and what actually happens. For example, in the line, we are better here than there. So this statement of King Francis that they are better here than there is ironic, considering the danger faced by Count de Lorge as he enters the pit to retrieve the glove. Now, it highlights the disconnect between the king's perception of safety and the reality of the situation. For line by line explanation of the poem, watch the video on my channel Beauty of Language, and if you want the notes of the poem, then visit beautyoflanguage.in.